This is the Cronin Towers in Glens Falls, New York. It was a 7-story commercial project that we did about 5 years ago. We had to replace the existing windows with our 4500 commercial rated double hung window. We used full-length sash stops to the top sash to create a single hung window, so only the bottom sash operated. But when the maintenance department wants to clean or get that top sash out, they can remove those sash stops and drop that top sash in for easy cleaning and maintenance. We also used the air conditioner supports in these openings.
Yeah, I can see a lot of air conditioners in there.
And that's an aluminum piece that was run at Kmart, and it applies over the top of the vinyl leg on the sill part of the window, therefore taking the weight of that air conditioner off of that sill.
Oh, so that probably increases the life of the...
It does. It just increases the life of the window.
Excellent.
So it was a nice fit for this project, definitely.
And this is a double hung or a...
This is it's a double hung in reality, but we've made alterations to the window to make it operate as a single hung.
Okay.
So the tenants can't operate that top sash up and down.
Okay, so for safety and...
For safety purposes and maintenance purposes, it's been altered to act more like a single hung, where just the bottom sash you can tilt in. But as I said, as their maintenance department, they've been shown how to remove this sash stop on either side.
Oh, so they can do it. All right. Excellent.
Yes.
So you can have a Cascal window built to kind of your idea of what needs to happen then, right?
We do. We go outside the box, you know, and try to fit what the customer is asking for into the project, definitely.
Well, that's a great application.
Yeah.
Good to know.
Yeah.
Thanks.